And welcome back. Today we're going to be doing Japanese potato salad. It's a little bit different than Western potato salad. It's fluffier, and also the taste is a little different because of the ingredients. It's pretty easy, so let's get started. Japanese potato salad.
So let's get started. First, we just need 5 potatoes, and what we're going to do is peel those potatoes. It doesn't have to be perfect. If there's some skin on there, it's not a big deal because we're going to be mashing them later. But after we peel the potatoes, you're going to cube them up like this. I'm just going to show you a couple, and we're just going to put those off to the side for later because we're going to boil them later. Now that we've done that, we need 1 cucumber. This is an English cucumber. It doesn't have seeds. Also, I'm using a mandoline. If you don't have one, get one. This is going to cut everything uniform and evenly. So let's slice down this cucumber, and just like this. Next, we want to take a handful of salt and put it in our cucumbers. The reason we're doing this is because we want to draw out the moisture from the cucumbers. If we don't do that, our potato salad is going to be really wet and moist. It's going to be gross. So take that mandoline out again, and we're going to take half a carrot and we're going to slice that up. Everything's going to be nice and uniform, again, just like our cucumbers. But I find it's still just a little too big, so I'm going to cut it up just a little bit more before we put it in the final potato salad. So gather that up and put it off to the side, okay? After that, we're just going to dice up half an onion. So dicing's pretty easy, just slice it like this. Cut it like that. Make sure your fingers in the claw and just dice away. Don't waste anything, okay? Put that off to the side too. Now that we have everything cut up, boil your potatoes for about 10 minutes. We don't want it to be too soft because of what we're going to do later. Now take a large mixing bowl, and we're going to get our Kewpie mayonnaise. This is Japanese mayonnaise, and add 1 cup of it. Kewpie mayonnaise is a little bit different than Western mayonnaise. Try it, it has a lot more flavor. And then we're going to get about 2 tablespoons of Mirin. This is sweet cooking wine. And then we're going to add a lot of MSG. MSG is your friend. Add it generously. And finally, we're going to get Ichimi. Spread that generously too. Ichimi is just cayenne pepper. Next, we're going to get a grill or a wire rack. And we're going to take the boiled potatoes that we had before, and we're just going to push them through. This way, our potatoes are going to be nice and fluffy. They're not going to be too soft. They're not going to be too hard. And the reason I'm wearing a glove is because they're hot. We're going to take 5 hard-boiled eggs, and we're going to do the same thing. Just squish them right through the screen. You're going to get great texture with it, and it's easy. So do it. After we've done that, just mix. Mix, 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 until everything becomes incorporated. Put the onions, the carrots, and now we're going to do the cucumbers, which we put in salt. That way so we can get the moisture out, right? So squeeze those, get all the remaining water out of them, or get as much as you can. See how much water we just didn't put in our potato salad? And put the cucumbers into the bowl. Once you've done that, just start mixing away. And
Japanese potato salad. It's that easy. If you want it a little sweeter, add some more meat into it. If you want it spicier, just put more Ichimi in it. Put this in the refrigerator and let it get even more flavorful overnight. Thanks for coming. See you next time.
And this was Japanese style potato salad. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share. See you next time.